Welcome back to my channel, CarRoute360. Today, I'm bringing you something that is not just news, not just an update, but an experience that could change the way you look at the future. Yes, I'm talking about the one and only 2026 Golden Offer. Now listen closely, because this isn't just another promotion or a limited time deal. This is bigger, brighter, and more powerful than anything you've ever seen before. This is the kind of opportunity that doesn't just add comfort to your life, it redefines it completely. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine. Imagine yourself driving the car of your dreams, living the lifestyle you've always desired, surrounded by luxury, freedom, and the power to choose your own path. Imagine knowing that you are no longer chasing life, but life is chasing you. That's what the 2026 Golden Offer is all about. It's your ticket to step into that world. This offer is packed with exclusivity, premium value, and something even rarer, opportunity. It's not designed for everyone, it's designed for those who dare to dream bigger, those who are ready to take the leap into the future. In 2026, this is not just an option, it's the key that unlocks the door to a brand new chapter of your life. But remember this, life doesn't give second chances easily. Some opportunities knock only once, and if you ignore them, they are gone forever. The 2026 Golden Offer is that once-in-a-lifetime chance. Every decision you make today has the power to shape your tomorrow. The only question is, will you let it pass, or will you claim it as your own? Friends, this is your time. This is your moment. The Golden Offer of 2026 is shining right in front of you, glowing, powerful, and waiting to be yours. Don't wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow may be too late. Take the step today. Choose courage over hesitation, dreams over doubt, and action over fear. So once again, welcome back to CarRoute360, where we don't just talk about cars, luxury, and lifestyle. We bring you the future. And the future begins right here, right now, with the 2026 Golden Offer. Are you ready to take it?